Hello, fellow massage therapists. I hope you're having a great day. My name is Loren, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to share something really special with all of you who have dedicated your lives, as I have, to the art of massage therapy. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been a licensed massage therapist for over 3 decades now. And throughout all of those years, I've had the privilege to witness transformative power of massage to help my clients' lives. It's not just a profession, it's a calling. And for me, it truly was and has been and still is a passion. And it's an art form that we all share. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I believe can really help your practice and take it to new heights. I've spent the last year, I have poured my heart and my soul into creating an online course specially tailored for massage therapists like you. I felt like I had created something for so long that worked really well, and I am just ready and bursting to share it. It's called Mastering the Power of Heat, and it really is designed to help you unlock the full potential of your skills while offering a really unique and therapeutic experience to your clients. Using heat when you work is such a phenomenal thing. Most therapists are missing the mark when they do it just occasionally or sometimes, but every time you see a client, I use it with neuromuscular issues, trigger point work, or just effleurage. Whatever you're doing to interject that heat can really help with how your client experiences the work you do. And I'm not talking about heat for every single moment of the massage, but just enough for your client to really have a jump start on the work that you're going to be working with. And a little about the course again, it really sets it apart from other courses. It's the techniques of the massage therapy are incredible, and we'll jump into the science behind it, the proper techniques, how to seamlessly integrate both hot packs and salt stones into your practice. So if you're on the fence and you're wondering about whether or not this course is right for you, I have 5 benefits that I think might help you decide whether it's something that you want to do. So the first one is the enhanced therapeutic benefits. I mean, we all know how amazing saltstone and the heat can be with the 84 trace minerals, but both saltstones and hot packs are known to improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, promote really deep relaxation. It's just a game changer for both you and your clients. So second, it's a new revenue stream, because I guarantee by offering salt stones and hot packs and a way to deliver that warmth in a wonderful way for your clients, you will stand out from the competition in this very competitive market, and you will attract clients who are seeking a high-end wellness experience, and this obviously would lead to an increased income for you. The third, flexible learning. The course is designed to be used online, at home, at your own pace and on your own schedule. At the end of each module, you will have the chance to interact with me with questions or any comments that you might have. There's no need to disrupt your daily routine. You'll have lifetime access also to go back to the videos, the scripts, the PDF printouts, the PowerPoint classes, and so much more. This truly is a CEU experience like no other. I have done so many CEUs over the years of my 30 years of work, and I've tried to create this to keep your attention, and there's a little bit of everything to make it fun as well. Fourth is the expert guidance. I've had 30 years of experience, and I just am so ready to share what I know because it works. It works really well. And then finally, the fifth one, certification. Upon completion, you get your CE certification. I believe it's 4.5 hours, and that will cover all the details of saltstone massage and the use of hot packs. So, I have truly seen the positive impact that saltstone massage really can have on your clients' lives. and I want you to experience it too. So if you're ready to take your massage therapy practice to the next level, I invite you to join me on this amazing journey. Enroll right now, and I'm offering special discount for early birds who sign up today. So don't miss this chance to elevate your skills and offer something truly exceptional to your clients. So to learn more and enroll, just click down the link below the video and let's embark on this journey together. I can't wait to see the amazing transformation that you will bring to practice and your clients' lives, because I love to follow up with my students and I love to hear from my students to hear how they have used the work that they've learned in their lives and in their work. So thank you for your time. I look forward to having you in my Mastering the Power of Heat online course. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.